So this is exactly how you fix Black Ops 2 servers not available at this time error on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. Firstly, we're gonna click on our PlayStation logo right here as you can see, and then go into homepage right here. Now on homepage, click on settings, then click on network and then click on settings and set up internet connection. Now on the Wi-Fi that you're connected to, just click on this button right here on your controller, click on advanced settings. Then change the DNS settings from automatic to manual, and primary DNS should be 8.8.8.8 as you can see, and the secondary DNS should be 8.8.4.4. Then click on OK, and we're just gonna now reconnect to internet here as you can see, so just wait a couple of seconds for it to reconnect. Once it's done, just go back into the Call of Duty game, but before entering, click on this button again here on the game and click on Close Game, and then just re-enter it once again, and hopefully now it's gonna be fixed for you as well.